Another bit of history coming to life in Savannah today. After 9 long years, the people of Haiti will get the recognition they deserve. And a monument in Franklin Square is finally complete. And today, everyone got to see it. Our Justin Burrows shows us why this sculpture is so significant.
It took 9 years to complete the Haitian monument in Franklin Square, but it took 230 years for the people of Haiti to receive the proper recognition for their role in the Revolutionary War.
The best moment in my life.
This recognition is a reward for all Haitians, whether they're in the U.S. or in Haiti.
The monument was originally unveiled unfinished with only 4 statues in 2007. But thanks to a single donor, the sculpture was recently completed and presented on Saturday with all 6 bronze statues.
You're not going to find a monument dedicated to Haitians anywhere else in the United States.
The monument represents the role that more than 500 Haitian volunteers played in the 1779 Battle of Savannah, a significant moment in the Revolutionary War that, according to FIAME, has gone unnoticed.
Was it not for the Haitians that came to Savannah, and without there will be no America today.
They were so important in the revolution of this country. I mean, that we could be speaking with an English accent if it wasn't for the Haitians.
And according to Alderman Jones, we should all be proud of the sacrifices represented by this monument.
They volunteered and came here, shed their blood, and died for the freedom of the United States.
It's a moment of pride for all of us. And I think every single Haitian I know are proud to be part of U.S. history.
And now that history stands tall for all to see. In Savannah, Justin Burrows, WTOC News.
Well, that sculpture is estimated to have cost more than $800,000.